What's up, everyone? It's Dave and Daniela from Sell House Columbus, and we're here with some more satisfied people that we're doing an awesome real estate transaction with. I'm here with Lily, and I'm here with Lily's daughter. And what's your name, daughter?
Sí.
What is it?
Abby.
Abby. Abby, are you the translator today?
Yes.
Well, everybody, if you're seeing this video, just know we are bilingual and trilingual, as a matter of fact. We have other team members who speak Spanish, other team members that speak other languages other than English and Spanish. So wherever you are, if you have a home that you're looking to sell fast and easy for cash, definitely call us at 614-300-5151. And we are happy to have a discussion with you. Been around the longest and are proud to serve Central Ohio and the Columbus community. So, with that being said, Abby, Lily, how has been your experience in working with me and Daniela?
Oh, good. It's good. It's pretty good.
Would you say we do good business?
De que sí, podrías decir que hacen buenos negocios. Yes. Yes, we can
Yes.
say that.
Quiero hacer más negocios.
She even wants to do more business with you guys.
That's
You've
excellent.
been
You
very
know,
helpful.
Perfecto.
perfecto. The best compliment we could ever receive is a referral from someone else, right? So if there was somebody else out there and they're thinking about working with us, but they were unsure, what would you say to them?
De que si hubiera alguien más ahí que intentara como hacer negocios con ellos, ¿qué les dirías? O sea, ¿cuál sería tu recomendación?
Oh, muy bueno. Muy buen negocio. Me gustó la experiencia. Daniela, súper linda, súper amable y muy servicial y atenta en todo momento, que fue nuestro mediario.
Well, she's saying that she's very satisfied that you guys were very, very helpful. She's especially happy with Daniela because she was very willing to help and just attend to every text, every call, and at all moments. So yeah, we're just very, very happy and very grateful with you all for all your help through this process.
Communication is very important. Would you agree?
Yes,
Communication's important. And we get that a lot. We talk to people and they're kind of working with other companies and they say, "Oh, the company never calls me back." We're not like that though. We call you guys back, right?
yes. Yeah, I think
Absolutely.
we at all times we have very clear information, and whenever we have a question, we feel very confident with texting you guys or calling you guys, knowing that we're gonna receive a response to our question.
Text, call, email. I mean, come on, guys. Everybody's got a cell phone in their pocket right now. There's no excuses.
Yeah.
Daniela, do you have any feedback on getting this transaction over the finish line?
I'm just very excited to be able to help Lily here. Abby, great to meet you. And I'm very, very excited for you guys to finally get to own the house. So just very happy to help.
All right, Abby and Lily, let me see you get a big smile here for me. Get a
Yes,
big, and
Abby.
I can't see Lily. I got to see both of you. Oh, okay, you're beautiful. Everybody, I'm Dave, and this is Daniela. And if you have a house that you want to sell anywhere in Central Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. On behalf of Abby and Lily and Daniela and myself, we will see you on the next video.